In this video, I want to show you how you can fix a leaky sales funnel so that you generate more customers and you decrease your traffic costs at the same time. So first of all, what exactly is a leaky funnel and what do I mean by that? Well, think of it as piping in your own house. You have a lot of pipes and at various stages they connect to each other. And a leaky funnel is just like a pipe which is leaking water at various stages. So you're consistently, slowly but consistently losing customers, losing water, and basically just reducing the overall efficiency of the whole funnel itself. And the worst part about it is that it doesn't seem much, but if you add all these up, then you will see a significant decrease in the end in the volume of sales, just like with the volume of water, compared to the alternative of fixing all these little leaks and then getting the full amount that you can get. So where can leaks occur in the funnel? Well, let's say you have an ad, a Facebook ad that gets people on a landing page where people can subscribe, where they'll get on your email list, they'll get a lot of emails, then they'll click through a sales page, then they get to a checkout page, and then they'll buy. So let's say that this is our simple funnel. Well, you can basically lose customers at each step of the process. And again, think of these in a multiplicative way. So there's a lot of opportunity cost with losing people at the first stage, for example, because then all the other parts of the funnel which are designed to convert that customer won't mean anything because they were lost at the first stage. And that's a big problem. So how can you fix this? Well, for the Facebook ad, it's quite simple. You have a lot of KPIs for this. You want to make sure that your Facebook ads converts higher. You have higher click-through rates. You have higher relevance scores. You can target people more effectively so that your ad costs come down, so that your cost per lead are also lower. Then you can also lose people on your landing page. And a lot of people, I guess the most people will be lost here if you don't count, obviously, like impressions for Facebook ads. Because let's say like 20 to 30% in the normal case converts on a landing page. Well, immediately you lose 60 to 70% of people who will probably never come back. Now, sure, you can definitely and you should retarget these people. So if they land on your landing page, then you can set up very simple retargeting ads so that you can cost efficiently have another shot of basically converting them. And this works really well. But our aim here is to fix the landing page. And I'm going to make a video about landing page optimization, but in a nutshell, you just want to make sure that your landing page is as high converting as possible, and conversion rate optimization is a really, really strong strategy here in case of landing pages and even sales pages. Next up, let's say people subscribe to your landing page. They get on a thank you page. And a lot of people lose people here because they think, yeah, they subscribe, my work here is done. But it's not done. The thank you page is a great way to give them an upsell, to prompt them to read something else from you, or to give them a giveaway, to prompt them to share something that you already did, or share the whole lead magnet itself. This also counts as a leaky funnel element because you have opportunity there to get even more value out of that given subscriber or lead. And a lot of people are just leaving this opportunity on the table. Well, you shouldn't. So make sure that your landing page has a next step to it and it has a job to do something with that subscriber. Okay, the next step, your email marketing. This is super important and I won't get into much details here. But again, in very simple ways, you want to make sure that you send emails that have high open rates because of good subject lines that give people value. You should definitely share stories or make emails a little longer, a little bit more personal, more vulnerable, especially nowadays. Don't just give them a flash offer. Don't just try to sell them something blatantly, because they don't like that. And that's one of the reasons why your emails could end up in the spam folder or in the promotions folder in Gmail, because a lot of people are using Gmail. But it also applies to any other email solution as well. Make sure that you basically start a conversation with people there, and make it more conversational, because this is the name of the game in 2020 with email marketing. It's a relatively personal way of communicating. It's very cheap. It's almost free, but you have to invest in either good quality copy or a lot of your own time in creating content for it. But if you do, you will see a significant bump in how well you can warm up your leads. And let's face it, email marketing is the best way to warm up your leads and to turn them into loyal fans, basically. And sometimes this process takes a week, sometimes it can take a year or even months. Don't worry about it. Only like 10% of your initial leads will buy or will consider buying. Most of them, 80% of them, need more time, or their life situation isn't at that point. So make sure to set up your email systems with this logic, that you don't try to aggressively sell everyone at first, but you give them leeway, and then also don't forget to sell them elegantly later on as well. And this is the best way to fix leaky elements here at this point. And the next step, the sales page. A long form sales page is a big beast on its own, and I have several very in-depth detailed videos and case studies about this on my YouTube channel. So I suggest you check them out if you're interested in how to make sure that sales pages convert better. But basically at this stage, you just have to hire a good quality conversion copywriter to write your sales page for you and test, because even the best copywriters cannot ensure that your sales page is going to convert wonderfully right off the bat. You have to test, you have to get data, you have to install a heat mapping tracking pixel here and see how people engage with it. And then it's an ongoing process to optimize this. But once you do, a sales page can single-handedly generate you tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands, or in some cases even millions of dollars single-handedly. So it's a big thing to do, but it's an important part of your overall strategy. And finally, a lot of people overlook this, but the checkout page is also important. And I have a video about this on my YouTube channel again, but make sure that you send out an automated abandoned cart sequence, because it's important and it will save a lot of your sales. It will single-handedly boost your sales by about 20 to 30% in usual cases. And this is one of the lowest hanging fruits that you can imagine to fix the leaky part of this funnel. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Now you know how to fix your leaky funnel elements. So now I want you to leave a comment below and let me know the number one thing that you use in your own business and you implement it so that you can see results. I'm really curious what was the thing that connected with you the most. And I'm looking forward to getting to know you better and to start a conversation. So with that being said, thank you for watching. Have a nice day, stay safe, and see you tomorrow. Cheers.